We're back and we're giving away some quality CellarScience ingredients.
Let's pitch some yeast and get enzymatic.
Free Beer Friday!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Vito, how was your break?
Man, break was great. Did a ton of home brewing, got Belgian beers, did a Belgian Pale Ale, Belgian Dark Strong, then did a bunch of commercial brewing too. I've done 4 collabs in the last month, all kind of queuing up for SF Beer Week, which is next week. But you know what? I really miss giving away free stuff.
Well, that's why we're here. Last year, we had a total of 25 big winners.
And that's not to mention all our comment and gift card winners. Plus, we also had a deal running every month on the Free Beer Friday page.
So you know we gotta top that on Free Beer Friday this year.
All right, it's time for another giveaway.
This month, we're giving away 5 CellarScience Ultimate Homebrewing Packs.
So that pack includes 8 strains of yeast, 3 brewing enzymes, a foam reducer, and a fining agent.
And a partridge in a pear tree. CellarScience is an incredible brand. They're blending science and quality into all their beer making and wine making products.
Yeah, their products are used in award-winning breweries across the country. I've used them myself in home brewing and commercial brewing. Highly recommend their products.
What we love about them is they bring the same quality products in both homebrewing sizes and pro brewing, winemaking included. And it's awesome to be able to sell the same product amongst all these customers who start as home people and end up being pro.
Yeah, in our next video, we're gonna go over each product and usage, how to make amazing award-winning beer at home using CellarScience products.
So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
And as always, we've got a special deal on that page. And just a hint, this one will help you with your Super Bowl party, so you're gonna wanna check it out.
As always, comment below for a chance to win a MoreBeer gift card.
Yeah, let us know if you've used any of these CellarScience products, which ones you've used, how you like them. And if you haven't, go ahead and let us know what you'd like to see us give away this year. All right, and last but not least, you've got a week left. We're giving away 2 free tickets to SF Beer Week. So if you're in the San Francisco Bay Area, go over to our Instagram. You just need to follow the SF Beer Week and SF Beer accounts and then comment on there, and then that'll enter in your chance to win 2 free tickets to the most awesome beer event of the year. Maybe.
Vito, dude, we're getting a little rusty at this.
Yeah, that was tough, but we knocked it out. Cheers.
Let's have some more of this.